Today I am reviewing the genuine Gorilla Lift two-sided trailer tailgate lift assist. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to handling heavy-duty trailer equipment, one of the most underrated but incredibly useful upgrades you can make is a proper tailgate assist system. And that's exactly where the Gorilla Lift two-sided trailer tailgate lift assist comes into play. This product is designed for one simple but very important purpose: making heavy trailer tailgates easier, safer, and more controlled to lift and lower. If you've ever dealt with a heavy utility trailer tailgate, you already know the struggle. These gates can be extremely weighty, awkward to handle, and even dangerous if they slip or drop unexpectedly. Over time, that constant strain can also cause wear and tear on hinges, or worse, lead to injuries. That's where the Gorilla Lift system completely changes the experience. Let's start with how it works. The system uses a counterbalance mechanism mounted along the sides of your trailer. Once installed, it significantly reduces the effective weight of the tailgate. In simple terms, it makes a heavy gate feel almost weightless. Instead of straining your back or needing two hands and full effort, you can raise and lower the tailgate with just a light touch. That alone makes a huge difference in daily use, especially if you frequently load and unload equipment, tools, or materials. One of the standout benefits of this system is safety. Heavy trailer tailgates are a common source of workplace and personal injuries. They can drop suddenly, pinch fingers, or cause strain injuries over time. The Gorilla Lift system helps reduce these risks by controlling the movement of the gate and making it much more predictable and manageable. It also helps protect your trailer itself. Constant slamming or uncontrolled movement can cause damage to hinges, frames, and mounting points. By smoothing out the motion, this system helps extend the lifespan of your trailer hardware, which can save money in the long run on repairs or replacements. Another important feature is its adjustability. This lift assist is designed to work with a wide range of utility trailers. It fits trailers with side rails between 12 inches and 24 inches tall, and tailgates ranging from 4 feet to 6 feet in height. That flexibility makes it a practical solution for many different trailer setups, whether you're using it for work, construction, landscaping, or general hauling. Installation is straightforward for most users with basic tools, and once installed, the system operates passively without needing constant adjustment. It becomes part of the trailer's natural function. Another key design advantage is the low-profile housing. The lifting mechanism is fully enclosed, which adds an important layer of safety. It helps protect the internal components from dirt, debris, and external damage while also reducing the risk of accidental contact during loading or unloading. This makes it more durable and safer to use in tough working environments. Now let's talk about real-world usability. Once installed, the difference is immediately noticeable. Lifting the tailgate no longer feels like a heavy physical task. Instead, it becomes a smooth, controlled motion. Lowering the gate is just as easy and predictable, which is especially helpful when you're working alone or frequently switching between loading and unloading. For people who use trailers daily, whether in construction, landscaping, farming, or general hauling, this kind of assistance quickly becomes something you don't want to go without. It's also worth mentioning that this is the original Gorilla Lift system, which matters because there are cheaper imitations on the market. The original design is known for its durability, consistent performance, and long-term reliability. Of course, like any mechanical assist system, proper installation is important. When installed correctly, it operates smoothly and consistently. But if not aligned properly, performance can be affected. So taking the time to install it carefully is important for best results. In terms of drawbacks, it does add some hardware to the side of the trailer, so it's not completely invisible. But the trade-off in usability and safety is more than worth it for most users. So, who is this product really for? This is ideal for anyone who regularly uses a utility trailer with a heavy tailgate. Whether you're a contractor, landscaper, farmer, or even a homeowner doing frequent hauling jobs, this system makes your trailer significantly easier and safer to use. It's especially valuable for people who work alone, since it eliminates the need for extra help just to lift or lower the gate. In conclusion, the Gorilla Lift two-sided trailer tailgate lift assist is a simple but extremely effective upgrade that transforms how you interact with your trailer. It reduces physical strain, improves safety, protects your equipment, and makes everyday trailer use much more efficient. It's one of those tools that doesn't feel necessary until you use it once, and then it becomes something you wouldn't want to work without.